Hiren Ved joining us, Director and CIO, Alchemy Capital Management. Hiren, great having you. It's Harsh here. Sir, I'll pose the same question that I posed to Manishi. What should priority be at this hour? Of course, we've got this big rating upgrade, long awaited, positive sentimentally, as well as honestly on rates. So across the board, a positive. What should the current priority be from a market's perspective? Where's the boost required?
I think, I think what has been happening in the economy is that the consumption is still struggling at the bottom of the pyramid, right? And, while ratings upgrade is good news, as you rightly said, much awaited, should bring the overall cost of capital down for Indian companies who want to borrow abroad over the medium to long term. But what is most important at the current point in time is two things. One, I think from a consumption side, I think that we probably need one more rate cut. We continue to have the RBI to keep liquidity surplus, and the impact of the tax cut to flow through, which should typically flow through now. On the investment side, I think there is a lot of uncertainty that has been created because of the trade and tariffs that have been imposed on India. And unless there is clarity or some resolution over the next few weeks, people, at least private capital investment might be held back because nobody would want to start new projects in the face of this kind of uncertainty.
Hiren, 100 bips cut already done. You're calling for maybe another cut or so, 25 bips. How long does this take to impact consumption? Give us your view there.
Yeah, I mean, 100 bips is done. I think another 25 to 50. Typically, it takes, 1 or 2 quarters for the cuts to seep through. I think that the one of the reasons why it's got a bit complicated is that despite the cut, we have not seen the transmission of that is because currently unsecured lending and retail lending is going through a little bit of a soft patch, given that NPLs have spiked seasonally for all lenders, and lenders may be a little circumspect to go out and dilute their lending standards. So my guess is that it is going to take a little bit of time, but it should definitely happen by the second half of this year or going into the festive season. We should be able to see some bounce in discretionary consumption.
Okay. All right. Hiren, thank you so much for taking out the time and speaking with us at NDTV Profit.